Hello students, welcome to our class and our today's topic molarity. In our previous lecture I explained you the concentration of acids and base. So concentration means, just I revise, concentration is a ratio of solute, ratio of the solute and solution, we will see the one activity. We prepare the solution of lemon extract and the water. So in this example, in this solution, the solute is lemon extract and the lemon juice is a solution. So concentration means the ratio of solute and solution. So just remember. Now here are some units to measure, to express the concentration. That is the first unit is, so to learn to I explain this topic molarity, we will go through our textbook. So first student, open your textbook on page number 62 and in last paragraph. The several units are used to express the concentration of solution. The first unit is the mass of solute in gram. Remember, mass of solute, G is mass of solute in gram, and that dissolve in a 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution. That means the first unit is gram per liter. The first unit of concentration is gram per liter. Clear? Then the second unit is the number of moles. In the chapter number 4, in chapter 4, I explained you about the mole concept. Then the second unit of concentration is the mole of a solute dissolved in 1 liter. Again, mole, mole in per liter of solution is called is the second unit of the concentration. Okay, that means the number of mole in a 1 liter of solution. Number of mole, this is a number of mole, quantity in mole in a per liter of solution. Quantity in mole in per liter of solution is called this is a second unit of concentration. Again I repeat it, gram per liter, that means the mass of the solute dissolved in a 1 liter of water. In a liter of water is a first unit. Gram per liter is a first unit of concentration, and second unit is a mole per liter. Mole per liter. Clear? Then next, the second unit is the number of mole of a solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, and this is also called the molarity, and molarity is denoted by capital M. Mole per liter dissolved in 1 liter of water is called the molarity. Clear it? Then next, for example, NaCl equals to 1 means the molarity of solution, NaCl, okay. That means NaCl is a common salt. Common salt, the molecular formula of common salt. That means the sodium chloride is NaCl. Na for sodium, Cl for chlorine. 1 means the molarity of solution of common salt is 1 mole or 1 molar. Clear? Then in a next page, on the next page here, one table is given. In this table you have to complete this table. So I explain the first row. In this table here, some columns are solute, then quantity of solute, then volume of solution, and then concentration of solution. That means we have to find in this table the concentration of solution. So concentration of solution means the quantity of solute and the ratio of quantity of solute and the solution. Clear? Then here in a solute column there are 3 columns, A, B, C. In this column, the A column, there is a name of the compound, sodium chloride, then molecular formula, that is NaCl. Then this molecular mass. So just I explain how to calculate the molecular mass again. Actually I explained this topic to find out the molecular mass, but I repeat it. So find out the molecular mass of NaCl. So Na, the mass of Na. So to find out the molecular mass, you have to know the atomic mass of all atoms. So mass of sodium is 23, then plus mass of chlorine, that is 35.5. Then add these two numbers, so 58.5. 58, you can write the mass, you can add in a integer values. Okay, so no need to add this decimal value. So 58.5. Then this is given, the quantity of solute, the quantity of NaCl in gram is given, so 117. Okay, then mole means gram divided by molecular mass, the quantity in gram divided by molecular mass. So fill this, calculate this value, mole. So mole is 117 divided by 58.5. So remember, this value mole is the quantity in gram divided by molecular mass. Quantity in gram, that means 117 divided by molecular mass 58.5. So then calculate these values. Then this is equals to 2. Then the volume of solution is given. Volume of solution in liter is a 2 liter. Volume of solution is given. Then gram per liter, find out the value gram per liter. The value of gram is given here, 117. Value in gram, 117 per liter. So, okay, so liter divided by liter. So given the volume of solution 2 liters, so divided by 2, and you will get this value 58.5. Then next column is molarity, that means the mole divided by liter, and what is the value of mole? You will calculate first the value of mole by dividing the gram divided by value in gram divided by molecular mass, and here the mole, the value is 2 divided by liter, that is 2. So 2 upon 2, this is equals to 1. So in this way you can fill this table. Again I explain the second row, that is HCl. Here HCl, the name of HCl is a molecular formula of hydrogen chloride. Clear? Then next column is molecular mass. So calculate the molecular mass of HCl. Mass of H is a hydrogen, mass of H is 1, plus Cl, mass of Cl 35.5. Then your answer 36.5. Clear? Then this is given, value in gram, value of HCl in gram is given, and that is 3.65 gram. Then mole, we know what is the value of mole. How will you calculate the value of mole? So value in gram divided by molecular mass. Value in gram, that is a 3.65 divided by molecular mass, that is a 36.5. Then divide these values and you will get the answer 0.1 mole. The unit of mole is mole, M-O-L, mole. Okay. Then volume of solution, volume is given, that is 1 liter, and gram per liter. Find the value of gram per liter. So gram per liter, gram, the value in gram is 3.65 divided by liter, that is 1 liter. So 3.65 divided by 1, that is a 3.65. Then at last value of concentration, value of molarity is a mole. Value of mole is 0.1 divided by liter, that is 1 liter. So 0.1 upon 1 is 0.1. In this way you can calculate the value of molarity. Clear? So I hope you understood this lecture, and this is homework. Complete the third row in this table. So in this table you have to complete this third row, and given is solute. The name of solute is NaOH, that means sodium hydroxide. So complete all the for NaOH. Clear? So till the time, goodbye.